right. Hey guys. Good morning, evening, afternoon, noon. Where are you from? How you doing, guys? Aurelio Baite. Jay is here. What's up, buddy? Man, you still awake? Are you already awake? Already? Still or already? That's the question. Jeremy, how we doing, brother? You see, let's be back. Thanks, brother. I've been trading, but these past 2 weeks been really busy, so I haven't looked at the market. But good to see you. Yeah, man. If you're busy, dude, then just skip it, man. Just stay aside and watch it a bit. So it's always important. You know, when I had my accident, when I had my pause, you know, because of the accident, and also when my grandpa passed away, and I'm not in the state of mind of trading or to trade, you know, then I stay aside, but I'm always watching, like, you know, the news and what happened, so that I'm always up to date, because once you have, you know, this lack or this gap, then it's hard to catch up, you know. So I always stay aside and want to know what happened, you know. Was it a good day tomorrow? Euro USD did good. Yeah, dude. Euro USD hit target, was very nice. All good. Now I'm long Euro USD again. Right there. Let's see how that trade goes. But I will probably take some and put stop loss to break even, because it's a pullback trade. I mean, we are trading the chart, the trend, the chart. Of course, we're trading the chart, man. What am I talking about? We're trading the trend. And I've seen this very nice pin bar here, that one, the nice pullback back to this horizontal support area. When you look in the weekly chart, then you can see, oh, and the daily chart is even better, but you can see it's a very nice support area here. So I was like, okay, Euro USD should at least retrace a bit, you know, the daily impulse to the downside should retrace it. My target would be this area. But if it's not hitting, then I'm going to take profit earlier, because it's a pullback trade, and pullback trades, at least the pullback trade of the current impulse, then it's always risky to trade that. So it's better to take profit early, or at least to take up the risk. And if it's break even, then it's break even, but it was a nice try. So yeah, let's see. Well, I'm sorry for you lost, sorry for your accident, but great to see continue forward during hard times. Good bless. Good. Okay, you're going to sleep. All right, dude, man. Have a good night, buddy. And thanks for your words. Yeah, it's always like, you know, I always say trading is like the real life. So when you have a bad, or when your private life is not really working out, and your private life, or you got trouble in your private life, then you will automatically like trade worse, because you are emotional, because you don't have a, you know, clear mind. And yeah, when you trade, you always need that. So obviously the performance would suffer as soon as you got problems in your private life. So it's always better to trade when everything's okay, when you feel fresh, when you have no problems. And yeah, now it's better. It's getting better now. Oh, I know, man. You're Bravo here. Nice to see you, bro. Bravo is here. Where's Bravo, dude? I didn't see Bravo, but welcome, Random X. You're more frustrated. Your brain is at conflict. Concentration isn't the greatest. Yes, and when you get emotional, and let's say your private life suck, you know, you because of different reasons, and your trading is not working out as well, man. You get really like in a really bad state of mind, and it's getting worse and worse and worse, and you just have to refresh your mind. It's also the same thing, you know. People who want to make money in the stock market won't make any money, because they just trade to make money, and they put themselves under pressure. It's like they have to win every single trade, they have to make money quickly, because let's say they gotta, I don't know, pay bills, or they had an emergency, like I don't know, dad or mom is in the hospital and they need to pay the bills and they need to make quick money, and yeah, this will result in a bad performance because you're just forcing trades. You just want to make money as fast as possible, and that doesn't work. So yeah, it's very important that everything is, you know, that your private life is okay, at least okay, you know. I'm short on gold. What do you think? Oh, whoa, big balls, right? You got big balls, buddy. I'm gonna take a look at it. Yeah, man, life isn't good now. I'm here and losing. Everything is against me. It's a cycle. Yes, buddy, that's exactly what you think. You think the market is against you, everyone is against you, you know. That's really the wrong thinking, and when you have this wrong thinking, then you make, you know, your thinking or your thoughts will always, you know, have an impact on your decisions you make. And if you have the wrong thinking and the wrong mindset, you will automatically, you know, come up with bad decisions. Oh, so I really have to look carefully at this trade right now, because yeah, it's a pullback trade. So I think I'm gonna take some profit, or at least pull the stop loss to break even. Yeah, we should do this. We should do this right now. It's just a scalp trade. It's 12 plus 12 pips right now, but I really, hold on, USD trade. Okay. Okay. So, quick money. It's not, you know, the best risk reward right now. I've met, it's like a risk reward of 0.6 almost, but you know, it's at least profit. It's a pullback trade, so we gotta be careful. There's the resistance the market was testing right now. Could have been like the first target, but yeah, that's why I just said it's better to take some profit. It's better to place the stop loss at break even right now. So we're kind of that, and yeah, rather safe than sorry, especially when you trade against this impulse. I mean, I bet there's a whipsaw coming up very soon. Yesterday, it exactly, you know, the market exactly moved as I expected, at least the stock market. And now it's time, you know, this, when you look at SPX 500, we're gonna look at gold after this. When you look at SPX 500, you can clearly see, hold on, yesterday the fake out, right? The fake out here at the bottom, now the higher high, and now a consolidation. It looks kind of like a flat type of correction. When you look at the 15-minute chart, you can see this looks like a flat type of correction, right? It could be like A, B, C, D, E, and then I expect it to go up, you know, because the figures yesterday from Amazon and other stocks were so good. These were so good news, and we're pushing the market up. And I bet there will be a lot of, you know, at least during the US session, a lot of players who will like follow the buyers from yesterday, you know. Hi Hung, is that correct? Do I pronounce that correctly? Hung? Is that Hung Pham? I don't know, man. Welcome to the stream, buddy. Yeah, I started trying to win money. Money will be a consequence of experience. Yeah, money is always just a side effect of value that you deliver, or good decisions. Just a side effect, dude. You will make it. Oh, look, DXY here now. retracing. You will make it anyways if you deliver value either to the community, if you solve problems, if you deliver value to the community, if you perform well, whatever you do. Don't focus on the money, guys. Well, money's just comes anyways. So you are short gold, right? Man, how do you even dare to short it? I mean, you know where I would short it? I would place a sell limit at 2,000, I guess, because I expect you know, like a little bit of fear of the bolts that the market could turn around, like. But yeah, there's a strong resistance, definitely strong resistance here, a resistance area. But the way the market approaches to this resistance looks kinda, yeah, kinda. Hold on, I don't get volume here. Why? No volume is provided by the data vendor. All right. Yeah, there's a nice fake out, that one, right? This is definitely a profit save move here. That's what we see. That's pretty, that's when you see volatility like that, it's almost very likely that the market is going to, you know, drop. Like in this case, you know, when you see when you see a peak and the volatility is coming in, then you see how shaky the market is getting and how uncomfortable the bulls feel as soon as the market hits a resistance like that. You know, you see the shakiness suddenly, right? When the market hits a resistance and stays calm, then you see, aha, okay, bulls are not really, you know, giving up right now. So we see the shakiness here, we see the shakiness here, we've seen some shakiness here, but the market is not really, I don't have any access to volume right now. The market is not really chasing the sellers right now. That's what I don't like. Look how small these candles look like compared to the previous rally, man. Very crazy. That's just crazy. Yeah, overall, when you wait, I'm gonna change that a bit. Well, I think betting against gold in the midterm is not good, because you would provide the liquidity to those who want to stack more. I mean, it's a very, very strong uptrend so far, and I mean, if it breaks above this resistance, we can consider to buy again. Of course, you can give it a short try, you know, because we are retesting this area, but I personally wouldn't do it because there's not much space to the downside, and there's a support area, so kind of risky, and the structure is not really like telling me anything. Like, I see the rejection here and there, short scalp maybe, but I don't like how calm the market is here after this shakiness. It's getting stable again, you know. I don't really like that. So yeah, let's check. What do you want to see? What do you want to see? Do you comment? Okay, wait. Currency by currency. Okay. We have USD CHF GU consolidating after a very good bullish push. We can take a look at that one as well. When you open gold with a window, you normally should get the volume. Oh, and okay. Oh shit! I should invest in ATIS once again. Hey LC, could you have a look on GU GBP CAT? GU GBP CAT? You mean GBP USD and GBP CAT, right? Do these reach their limit and we are ready to sell? Yeah, we can look at them as well. Let's have a look at USD CHF first. I bet everyone is looking for the bottom, right? Everyone is looking for the bottom. And we were talking about this yesterday. Hold on. Let's have a look at the weekly chart. So, the monthly chart first. So overall, I mean, all this, I mean, what the hell is this, guys? What the what the hell? What is that? Overall, we can see it's again, you know, there's so many different support areas here that you can see. There's a support definitely right there. Let's check the closing prices. Yeah, it's a support area right there. But the market recently broke through this support and this support here. So there are strong resistance areas, as you can see right there, right there, right there. And yeah, of course, it is kind of tempting to buy this one right now, because yeah, I think it's normal to look for the bottom to buy, right? But it's kind of risky. So before we even consider to buy or sell this one, I'm always looking at, as like yesterday, SXY, and next to it DXY, always. So the US dollar index and the Swiss franc index. So and yesterday we were talking about this. We said DXY is at a very strong support area, right? Here in the monthly chart, you can see still, oh, this here. Oh, look, we see the breakout. But is this a fake out or is it a breakout? That's the question. Look here. But on the other hand, we have the strong horizontal support area here. So generally, I would say I'm kind of bearish for DXY. I mean, fundamentals are saying inflation will continue with the money print of the Fed. We see a double top pattern here, so in the long run we could expect to DXY to continue the breakout. As soon as we break below this neck area of the double top pattern here, it could break down. And even, I mean, just, you know, when we look at the textbook and stick to the rules of the textbook, label 11, yeah, then we could drop very hard down to almost 82 at the support area here. So we definitely see DXY weakness, and here on the SXY we can see a lot of strength, right? A lot of power here, and it's right at this resistance area. So in both scenarios, or not scenarios, but in both indices, we can see they're testing important levels, right? And if we see a flip, like if we see a flip, all this has been a fake out at DXY, and SXY is resisting here and rejecting off and retraces, then we get a very, very nice confirmation for USD CHF long trade. But for now, I just see, at least in the longer run, I see no chance here for DXY to go up. We need to wait. Oh, almost hit the stop loss at break even. Almost. Very close. So looking at USD-CHF, I mean, it is never recommendable to trade against the trend if you don't have any evidence of a trend reversal, right? I mean, we could look at the at indicators like, for example, RSI, and say, hey, look, it's completely oversold. Oh shit, wrong one. Hey, look, it's completely oversold here, right? It's completely oversold. It's at, oh, what is that? It's on 17. Man, this is hardcore oversold. Let's say it that way. Hardcore oversold. You hear this, guys? My phone is ringing. Hold on. I keep that one open. Be right back. Okay, my girlfriend just arrived from the supermarket, so I gotta carry stuff up in a few minutes. So, you know, it could continue to drop all the time if SXY breaks through the resistance and DXY through the support and triggers the double top pattern. So currently we don't see any evidence of a trend change. I bet you're looking at the smaller time frame, right, like that, and now you see, aha, there's this range, the overnight range, by the way, the breakout, and now the retest that could continue to the upside, right? I would not recommend to do this at all. This looks like a double, no, not a double bottom. Look here, we have a lower low. I would not recommend to do this unless you see a valid confirmation for a trend change. And when you see that these indices DXY and SXY are confirming your expectations. So I'm staying out of USDC, Chef. I have no reason to trade that one. Not yet. So far. So, hold on. I'm gonna read the chat. Swiss franc is easily manipulated. Definitely, buddy. Like I always explained that the Switzerland is fighting with the deflation. They already have a interest rate of minus 0.2%, no, minus 7.75%, 0.75%. So they don't want you to buy it. Are you still long on EJ? Yes, I'm still long. Why is the live stream not working out anymore? No, it's working. Okay. And we wanted to look at GBP/USD at the peak, my friend, at the peak. GBP/USD. I would not touch it. By the way, this week I will prepare the trades for the next week. But so far we see there's a very strong. By the way, I have to go for like 10 minutes. I think my girlfriend is coming upstairs now because I gotta carry all the stuff from the supermarket. There she is. There she is. Yep. So we definitely see so GBP/USD had already reached past my target. Yeah, I was like, it's gonna go 130 when I prepared the week. It's gonna, you know, hit 130 or something, 130, 131, 130. So yeah, we see it's approaching so very strong resistance area here in the weekly chart, and I think, you know, it might be time for a pullback. But as long as DXY stays as weak as it currently is and we get good news from the stock market, then, you know, it could just rise and rise and rise and rise and rise. Why is it not working here? Hold on. Live stream is offline. The music live stream. Am I still online? Yeah, everything is fine, huh? Am I online? Yes, I'm online. What the hell, man? Okay, sorry. Internet is doing so. It's what the hell? No, now it's working. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now I got the Lambo keys, you know, the Lambo keys. No, okay, I'm gonna carry the stuff up and then we're gonna continue. Sorry, guys. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. So, what do we want to take a look at? The question about GBP cat, right? GBP cat was the question. Well, yeah. So, just to finish that one, GBP USD, like I said, is, or my favorite price to sell it would be this area here. This area at 130, 132 almost. This will be my favorite spot to sell it. Right there. But we have to wait next week, guys. The week's almost over. I think there's not much happening anymore. And yeah, then we will see what's gonna happen. By the way, now I see how it's going up here, man. Did Euro GBP break the support, man? Oh, you kidding me? And we closed the trade here. Man, it was just not, it was not breaking. I was like, okay, we should, you know, take profit. Now it's breaking. Shit. Oh my god. Well, it happens. Because I looked at the daily chart and I've seen this support here. So I was like, no, let's take profit, man. We gave it so much time right now. We should take some. Never mind. Let's have a look at GBP CAT. Continues to go up. So let's have a look at the monthly chart. Oh, there is potential to go up, guys. Okay. Here we see relevance because we see a second touch, a third touch, a continuation of the trend, a breakout, a retest, another fake out, another retest right off the trend line here, a higher low, and now approaching to the resistance. So in the long run, well, GBP CAD is always a bit tricky, always, because all the CAD pairs are a bit tricky. Usually you see that, or it's usually like you have a, you know, always like a different cash flow in the market. The cash flow can change, like we all know the current cash flow. That's why I prefer to trade USD CAD when I trade CAD pairs instead of GBP CAD, because it's more clear, you know, when you look at the fundamentals. So when we have a risk off market, we know USD CAD is going up. Why? Because oil is dropping with the stock market, yeah, as a pre-indicator for inflation, and so CAD's going to drop, right? And US dollar usually tends to go down then, because go up then, because we see a flow out of stocks into US dollar. So it's like the perfect correlation. The stock market goes down, CAD goes down, US dollar goes up when we have a risk on sentiment in the stock market. In this case, we have more US dollar strength when we have a risk off market, right? And when we have a risk off market and US dollar goes up, it means pressure for GBP. So when GBP is going down and CAD is going down at the same time, we don't have, like, you know, the best conditions for a trade, and for a long trade in this case. You know, we see both currencies are going down, and one of them will, you know, drop harder, probably drop harder, and yeah, it's not the best, you know, not the best correlation for a trade. So now we see we have this breakout, the retest. Now it's approaching this zone here. What is oil doing, by the way? I have to check it. Oil is not really moving. It's going up a little bit. Was denn? Was denn? Ne, eigentlich nicht. Was denn? Ja, was ist denn? Ich bin gerade wieder rangegangen hier. Eben gerade.
Thorsten und Andrea waren ja zu Hause. Und dann sagt Thorsten, das ist doch scheiße, dass ihr jetzt ohne den Mitch grillt. Ich sag, wenn Mitch gewollt hätte, dann wäre er da.
Das kannst du mir nachher erzählen, das ist jetzt egal. Das ist gar nicht so wichtig.
Uhr, ne?
Ja. So, sorry. We we'll have some barbecue later on and some organization. So yeah, we see oil is retesting this support area. I said oil will probably go up because I expect SPX to go up, and the US dollar will probably drop. And when the US dollar probably, you know, will drop, it is good for GB. It's good for the pound, at least. It's good for the pound, but it's also good for CAD. So we see when we look at the hold on, let's look at the daily chart. Strong resistance here. Also, the waves are not that great to analyze. You look at this impulse, it could be an, wait, this is ABCX. CX. This could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I gotta check it. Hold on. I'm not. very, very volatile. Wow. Expanding. So volatile, wow. This could be X, ABC. Yeah. That's an X. There is more potential to the upside, but I expect a retracement. What was this? This scan. Yeah. So overall, I see an upcoming uptrend. I mean, we have to keep in mind this is still ranging, right? Look, this is just a range here. But when I look at this change, you know, this trend line, the breakout, the retest, this higher low, there might be the chance that we're gonna get a pullback very soon, especially when oil is catching up. Like when oil is moving up, then we might see a retracement here to the downside. Now looking at the smaller time frame, wait, I'm gonna take the 1 hour chart and not my template. Wait. Let's take gray whites. Yeah, it's definitely worth to watch it when I look at the volume. Worth to watch it because there might be a reversal possible very soon when I look at the volume. It is a very, very strong resistance area, right? Very strong resistance area. It is generally, when you look at the entire range, a very thin volume zone here and a sell zone, so a supply zone. Very, very interesting to sell. Looking at the current impulse, right, this one, we can see, first of all, the market is completely overbought, right? We hit a very nice FIB extension level here of 200. Current impulse here, look. This wave is definitely an extended wave. Hold on. Because we got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open diagonal, leading diagonal. We got ABC, ABC. Means we got ABC here for the second wave. And now we see this extended, brutal, hardcore, growing wave here. Oh, look at this. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 1, 2. But even the third wave is the smallest wave, which is not good, which is showing that this impulse is not as it usually is. Yeah, look how even the break above here. So yeah, it's not that great. It's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's definitely a chance that it's gonna retrace. It's definitely worth to put it on a watch list and see, you know, whether it's gonna. The best thing that could happen is that we see a fake out like this. A fake out means there's someone, you know, saving the profits, or the players are saving the profits. So if everyone is short here and you want to go short as well to, you know, get rid of your contracts, then you need to make sure that all the stop loss level gets triggered. So it would be awesome to see a fake out and then we could go short. Oh, now look here, what is happening? Euro USD dropping like it's hot. Well, I mean, it's just a 1 hour chart. So, yeah, definitely worth to watch it. Oh man, I don't even want to look at it anymore. We took the profit. Anyways, so now DXY is going up. And JXY, let's look at CHF-JPY. Hold on. CHF-JPY. CHF-JPY tends to go up here. I mean, I want to buy it anyway, so I'm waiting for a breakout here. Break above this area. So it's indicating JXY or yen weakness. was looking at this and I have seen this.
Okay.
1, 2. Huh?
Extra für dich, den Dip.
Für mich?
Habe ich extra gesagt, ich mache jetzt noch einen Dip.
Look, A, B, C, perfect. And now I expect another, at least one more wave. This could be 1, 2, 3. Like this is 1. Double top, 2, 3, 4, and holy moly. And this, hold on, this is A, B, C, X, yeah. Almost at the 618. So that one. Hold on. I'm gonna read the chat now, sorry. Wow, sorry guys. Now I'm reading. When I focus, I don't read. I see a major bullish trend, GBP odd. Should I buy or not? Wait for any pullback? I was looking at it yesterday. I would wait for a pullback, buddy. Jerry, you have heard about the indicator? No. No, what is that? Search it at TradingView and see what you think. Discovered it yesterday. Didn't took a huge look at it, but it seems similar to moving averages. Let me look at it. What is it? MC GLA Dynamic. Oh, danke schön. Ist er kalt?
Wie gesagt, der ist lecker.
Okay. I'm generally not a big fan of MAs. I'm just using them to see, you know, what retailers see. Sometimes I even trade against them because I know that retailers trade them. And the big players don't want to, you know, move into the direction of the retailers. I don't know, dude. What kind of period am I supposed to take? Too many. I hate MAs like that. Too many fake outs everywhere. Fake, 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 fake. It's always centered, right? Almost in the middle. Like, is this indicating me a strong trend right there? I don't know what that is, dude. There's no description, right? I have no idea what that's showing me. What is that even calculating? Just the closing? I mean, look. Same as symbol, resolution, same as symbol, style, plot, precision, inputs. And there's not even much to, you know, to change. I don't know what that is supposed to tell me. The volume, the closing prices of the previous candles, of 21 candles, the opening price, the high, the low, I have no idea. I don't know, buddy. Oh, durch. If a lot of people use it, don't use it. I would not recommend to use it if a lot of people use it. So, what else do we got? What do you think of Euro NZD? Oh, hi, I'm waiting for a pullback. I'm just waiting for pullbacks. Oh, look, that one looks really interesting, right? Look, USD/JPY approaching that resistance. Or trying to break through. That one looks... Hold on, wait. Before I look at Euro NZD. Okay, very strong. Oh, whoa. Very strong support area. But if it breaks that resistance, it could cause some momentum. Oh, whoa, whoa. Is today the day of some reversals, or? I think I cannot look at JXY now. It's gonna open soon, but not now. Oops. Fake out. Break out of range. Fake out. Fake out. Fake out. Potential trend line here. Potential. Wait. Is this a breakout? That's the question. What's this? Look. If we break out of here, then we could, if we want to trade with balls, then we could go long here if it breaks above the resistance. Let me check. Let me check the volume. First I want to, hold on, save this here as a template. Okay, too bad that we cannot see JXY. Trend line. Potential trend line at least. Oh, where's the template? Come on. F5. Once again. Trend line. What is the opening range? Hold on. Now I gotta see what the what Asia did. Opening Hong Kong, selling off. Okay, Hong Kong. 7 o'clock. Asia ramp to the top side, right there. Little ramp. HK. HK. AR. Right there. Right there. This looks like, yeah. There's a breakout. Double top pattern. 1, 2, 3. This could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is perfect. Exactly the 61.8% retracement level. So if we see a breakthrough here or a rejection, Hong Kong has been very strong here with the sell-off. 1, 2. This is either a flat type or correction. Oh, we gotta wait a bit to see what's gonna happen. But this is definitely the trend line here.
Ja, bei mir. Ja, bei mir ist es aber schon drauf. Bei mir ist es schon angegeben. Das heißt, es wird Montag kommt das leider nicht raus. Aber ich will das ja vorher schon und schon mit Arbeit haben. Also es ist schon dabei gewesen auf jeden Fall, dass ich soweit abgerufen habe. Ja, es wird bei dir noch angezeigt, dass es am ersten weg ist.
This is
Und meine Theorie hat mir aufgegeben. Die war auch zweiten Auftrag gegeben, weiß. Vor ein, zwei.
Huh? What happened here? This. Oh, I did something wrong. Wait. A, B, C. Yeah, this could be a continuation here. Gotta wait for some price action. Hold on. Oh yeah, look at this increasing volume here. This looks like it's gonna go up. Session volume. This looks like it's gonna go up. The volume is here. Look at this accumulation here. And now it's increasing. This could be a very nice long setup here, by the way. The break here of this high. The break of the trend line. You see A, B, C. Broke. Do you have any positions open? Yes. Euro JPY, RUSD and RJPY. I wish I would have access to JXY now. We should go long here, guys. Target here at this top. Could even place our stop loss right there. Because in order to, even if this is just a support, even if this is just a man, wait, JPY, quickly, give me that. even if this is just a correction, it should continue. Oh, GBP JPY should go crazy now. Yeah, I see other pairs here with JPY, JXY. Look, CHF JPY about to break out, means I go long there as well. USD JPY. Okay. I'm going to place a buy limit here. The volume is just more than convincing. Now, of course, it's risky because the US market is about to open soon. So I'm gonna write this down. Obviously a risky one. Let me play safe, man. Buy limit here. I want to see another retracement. Otherwise, I will not go in. We got a good week, guys. I'm not like willing to take too much risk. This is it. Wait, stop loss should be below this zone here. Now it's here, 61. Yeah, that's okay. That's great. That's a great stop loss level. Stop loss 104, 6, 1, 3. Take profit is at this peak at the 161% retracement extension. 270. This is a 20 pip stop loss, but we can check it one more time. Yep, 20 pips. And this is a risk reward of 2.25. 2.25. Let's give it some more space, a little bit more space. 2.2. So we're gonna place the stop loss at 600. It's okay. The market is probably gonna get volatile, so we're gonna increase the stop loss by 3 pips. I mean 7 pips. So okay. USD JPY. Okay, sorry. Do you have any Euro USD dropping though? Yep, now it's dropping. Wait, before I answer the question, I need to calculate my risk as well. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna execute it. Okay, buy limit placed. Yeah, Euro USD will probably continue with its trend soon, but not now. Not now. Well, let's see. US market open soon. Okay, so what was the question? Sorry for the noob question, but since you use the volume indicator, is it normal to have bullish volume candle when on chart it's a bearish candle? What do you mean? Like, do you have a bullish candle and you got bearish volume, you mean? Or what do you mean? Yes, I used that one here. Hä?
Ich will nur eine Hälfte, sonst kann ich nachher nicht so viel essen.
Okay.
Hallo, Amy hat zweimal Spare Ribs gekauft.
Huh?
Amy hat zweimal Spare Ribs gekauft.
Okay. If you have a bearish candle, oh man, now it's approaching here the zone. A bearish candle and bullish volume is pretty much a divergence of the indicator, or not indicator. I mean, it's not an indicator, but pretty much an divergence of the volume and what the price action is showing you. So I don't know where you've seen this or where you see this. I don't have a great example right now. What do you have an example? Maybe it's reaching a zone of support and resistance. I'm still long Euro JPY, dude. Stay in. Don't you see this? Look how strong, or look how weak JXY actually is. I mean, we see Euro JPY is going up, or just went up straight, while Euro USD is dropping. That's showing that JXY or yen is even weaker than the Euro USD. You know, JXY seems to drop harder than Euro actually does. And when you look at AUD USD, which is dropping as well, and you look at AUD JPY, which is going up, you see how all the major pairs against JPY, or all the currencies against JPY, are currently gaining power. Like, even though they drop, even CHF JPY, look, it's also going up. Like, I had the plan to buy it, right? Now, are we too late now? Because we were talking too much or not? Are you short Euro JPY? Oh, when you look at my analysis, well, I personally have this long plan. Since we've seen this triangle breakout here, that was the plan, the actual plan. You can check it out if you want to. But I'm long. We are long Euro JPY after the breakout. By the way, we have to check. Are we gonna get triggered here? We have to check SPX 500. What's the stock market doing? Stock market still consolidating here, and I think it's gonna go up. And when it's gonna go up, Euro USD will probably retrace, or will go up again. Well, let's see. Wait, I want to stick to CHF JPY now. We should actually go long with the stop loss below this support area here. So 1, 2, 3. I expect the third wave and the fourth and the fifth. Yeah, holding the strong support area here. There's one strong, and there's a key limit. Yep. Okay. That's how it should be here. Then we would have an Flattening. Since JPY is so weak, do you think USD JPY will retrace to your entry, or you are taking in consideration some crazy volume spike to grab your entry? USD JPY can be very volatile, and that's why I choose this entry. And you need to keep in mind that the US market is about to open in 20 minutes, so there is volatility very likely to appear. So we've got to be patient. If we don't get triggered, dude, we just skip the setup. I mean, we're not, forced to trade anything. And yeah, I rather want to play a bit safe. I don't want to play this too aggressively, that one, or trade it too aggressively. So I would only accept a lower price in this case in order to have a decent risk reward when I trade with a little bit wider stop loss level, like in this case. So yeah, US opens in 1 hour and 50 minutes. That's a cash market, and the pre-opening, the pre-sale begins in 20 minutes. This is the first time you get some volatility from the USA. Okay, so I like that price action here right now. Look at this nice support here that has formed. So I'm chasing here like that. Kind of thin right now. Lots of sell pressure cannot push the market down like here. I like that. I like that. Before I execute that one, yeah, 61.8. I will wait for the USA to open because we don't need to put some extra risk on it, right? So support area. Full 30, 23 right there. It's about, yeah, it should stay above here. The ramp and Hong Kong. EMA supporting. Let's see. Now, if all this turns out to be a fake out, then we can go long Euro USD again. Well, let's see. So, closed my Euro JPY short. Now, now focused on the 3 major pairs for day trading. Really got to give you credits for how professionally keep it up. Thanks, buddy. Yeah, but I hope you didn't close it just because I said close it, or that I'm long, because I mean, it can drop at any time. So yeah, I mean, we never know what is gonna happen. Especially, let's have a quick look at the news. Is there anything important so far? Use liquidities. Yeah, like I said today, earnings. A lot of earnings today, and whoa. EPS expectations was 219. Okay, good news for the stock. The Exxon, bad news for the stock. Okay, kind of mixed. But we didn't see the big ones today yet. Chevron, worse than expected, better than expected. Merck, Caterpillar. Oh, that one is always important. 3-month rolling retail machine sale assets sees Asia rise into positive territory. Okay. So far, I mean, we will get to see the Canadian GDP. Hey guys, man, if we want to gamble a bit, man, we just place a short on GBP CAD right now, because later on we're gonna get to see some CAD news, and if you know these CAD news are in favor for CAD, and we see this technical, you know, this resistance giving us a very nice risk reward, we could just, you know, short it and gamble a bit. I mean, technically a nice level to short. If we get good news for CAD, GBP CAD could drop. At least retrace as I expected. Nee, das kann nicht. Some dog love, yeah.
Sie schläft gleich ein.
My dog is like sleeping on my shoulders. Sleeping on my shoulder. She's like relaxing really hard.
Ja, oh, die ist tiefenentspannt gerade.
Really relaxing hard. Guys, I think I'm gonna wait for the US session now. Or for the US pre-sale, I'm gonna wait. But this is at least a plan. There's a very strong resistance area here. And the great thing is it's retesting. If it goes up here, it's gonna retest the trend line of the previous impulse, right? This impulse, correction, impulse. Might be a good one. I'm gonna write that one down. Yeah, I'm gonna write that one down.
Hallo.
114,795, and the take profit. I'm not sure whether we're gonna hit this target today. I don't even think so, but we can take profit earlier if it moves into our direction. So it's just the target I would aim for if you want to swing it. But hold on, 115, 395, 14, 795. Oh, we can swing it as well. This is 60 pips, right? Yeah, 60 pips. 60 pips, and the risk reward is at 1.85. Since the market is so volatile, I really decrease the risk reward. Instead, play a bit safe and, you know, only work with the one single target. Oh, that's a plan that I have. Okay, let's keep that in mind. I'm gonna save it like that. So what I like to see is that the Hong Kong opening sale here got completely reversed by the European session. That's a very good sign. And yesterday we closed, well, the algo close was right there, and the range, the overnight range, is broken. So pretty good sign so far. What I want to see right now is increasing volume up here. We see how the volume increases when the market moved up here. We see more volume, but I want to see some more accumulation of volume. Otherwise, I would probably not execute that one. So I'm gonna keep that chart open. I'll be right back. Yeah, I'll be right back. I'm gonna keep that one open. Hopefully, we're gonna get triggered and the market pumps up right into the target. Of course, that's what we always dream about. So I'll be right back. And soft? Okay. Oh, look at this, guys. I'm probably gonna scalp it if we see the breakout here. I'm gonna scalp SPX 500 because it clearly looks like a continuation of the entire impulse here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Probably here the fourth wave. Let me see. D, E. Yeah, this could be an A, B, C, D, E. Typical pattern for flat type of correction. And let's measure this. Hold on. That's a 23, right? Yeah, 23. 23. This is a 50, almost 61. Yep, 61 and 50. Yeah, man, very healthy, very nice. ABCDE. This is a looks like a flat flag pattern here, like with a fake out to the bottom. if you mark it up like that, look, this could be a flag pattern. And flag pattern, top side. Flag pattern, A, B, C, D, E. Typical wave pattern for a flag pattern.
Um 16 Uhr.
Okay.
George ist noch nicht zu Hause um 3.
Okay. The first extension was right. Man, how accurate is this, guys? The peak or the wick, the spike ended right at the 161% retracement level, extension level here. Awesome. So we got that, we got the flag pattern, we have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pretty weak retracement, good retracement from the third wave here. So we expect the fifth wave to come very soon. Hold on. This looks like, look, very clean support area the market has found. Let's look at the 1 hour chart and you can see there is this area here, that one. So a very nice and clean support area where the market has found resistance with a fake out here and now finding support. So this is a very nice support resistance flip that we see. Very nice support resistance flip here. Why? I don't want to. Do I get the template or do I have to press F5? Because when I have to press F5, then my all markups will be gone. I don't like that. So I have to do it like this. Up volume, down volume, up level area, up, down volume.
Dein Handy.
Weiß ich gar nicht.
Ich würde gerne mal auf Netflix gucken, so lange.
Huh?
Ich würde gerne mal auf Netflix gucken.
What am I doing? 50. Weiß ich nicht. Oh meine. Nee, ich hab keine Login auf Netflix. Ich bin nicht eingeloggt.
Da kann ich noch machen.
Hast du?
Hab ich doch.
Hast du Passwort und so?
Hast du das im Schlafzimmer?
Ha?
Im Schlafzimmer?
Nee, hier. Right there.
Hast du runtergeladen schon?
Yeah. So target for scalp trade would be here. This will be the first area we're aiming for, and the second one, obviously the peak here, this area. And when we take an extension level of the entire impulse, a possible extension area, or area. What am I talking about? 200. This peak, or would even go further. Okay. Just to see. Okay, let's take the pole of the flag, which is that one. The pole. Project it to the potential breakout zone. Label black. Yeah. Gray, black. Okay. Flag pattern. So this might be. Hold on. Here's the support. Gotta check more resistance. Resistance is right there. Right at the price. So we would like to execute here in this area. What about USD JPY approaching to the entry zone? That's great. GBP CAD about to break through. Okay. Do we see a risk on mode? Man, you know what I expect to happen is I expect, at least for the major pairs, I expect that all this European session has just been a session of retracements. Because when you look at the stock market, you can see there's clearly nothing happening. So there's no reason for the stock market to drop, even though the forex market is pricing it in. So it might be some retracements, adjustments of the price, you know, some profit saves, and yeah, caused by the bad GBP of the European zone. So stop loss a bit low here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C, D, E. 61% retracement. Holding, very nice. I can delete the 50. This one. So opening range is, the London session is, wait, opening price is right there. Opening price of the market, and the market opening was here. Open marketing, this is the range. Perfect, man. It's about to break out of the range. Very nice. Okay, so uh 200. Hold on, I'm gonna check something. Yeah, not even close to this major resistance area here. But that is a nice one. The daily chart. And it's at the target zone. Right there. Let's delete that one. Don't need that one. I don't need that one. I don't need that one. Basically need that one. Don't want to be too greedy. But want to give the market some space in case of volatility. Okay. Bam, bam. EMA is following. Volume. Point of control. Look, there's more. I just saw the peaks. More volume increasing. We see how sneaky peaky like the market is actually accumulating volume. Sneaky peaky like. Okay, that's the 101. Okay. So right there. Keep it like that. Okay. No, wait. Yeah. Are we going in? How do we make it sneaky peeky like? So if your pole is a bit shorter, the top will be at 200 FIP. I play Counter-Strike, dude, sometimes. I see you playing it too, huh? Do we rush or do we go sneaky peeky like? Do we rush? Yes, I do play CSGO, buddy. Whenever I have the time to, I do it. I used to be addicted, dude, when I was a teenager, man. And I had to change the chance to play on professional level. Back in the days, ESL 1.6. But my mom said, no, you're gonna do something, you know. You will have a decent job, not this bullshit. And back then, the esports scene was, you know, not, I mean, it was growing. I was part of the growth. And, yeah. Now my mom, I remember my mom has seen on German TV, on news about a professional League of Legends player. Maybe you know him, Ocelot. And they said he's earning like 60 millions a year. And my mom said, "Hey, Jeremy, didn't you do something like that too?" I said, "Yeah." And I had the chance, I had the contract in my hand, and you didn't want me to. She said, but you can still do it, right? You can still do it. She was like, she's seen the dollar billions, you know, in her eyes. She was like, do it. Why don't you do it? You can still do it. I was like, man, I play like 8 hours a day. Long and man, it was such a nice time. 1.6. Long and good times. I went to tours. Yeah, man. I have videos on YouTube. What kind of videos do you have on YouTube, buddy? Like for League of Legends or Counter-Strike? I'm also playing League of Legends sometimes. So if you guys are down, man, we can do some sessions. You can add me on Steam or League of Legends, alright? And we can play some ranked games. Matchmaking. I don't know whether I'm still ranked because I'm not like frequently playing, but I think I'm Eagle. What am I? What was the ranks? Whenever I went back to Supreme, man, I always stopped playing, and then I got unranked. Now I'm Legendary Eagle. Yeah, Legendary Eagle. And when I'm back at my Supreme Master and I win like 7 games in a row, and I won't be, you know, won't get to global or GE, Global Elite, then I will stop playing again. I see it coming. I see it. And then I don't play for a couple of weeks or months. Then I'm unranked. Then I gotta rank up again. Then I'm back at Supreme. Then will stop playing again because I don't get decent mates or teams. You know, always playing with the Russians. Sukabiet. Retard, Rashbi. I gave up on League of Legends a long time ago. My computer broke, so I didn't have to play. Now I thought about playing a game, but man, I'll be addicted. And you will stop trading. Oh gosh, yeah. Now Euro JPY is finally breaking the high, bringing us towards the target zone, and it's already nicely in profit. It's already nicely in profit. That's great. Hope you guys are in. Yeah, halfway to the target made. So let's see. Oh, GBP cat. Look, now if we see a fake out here, right? Ahead the news from Canada, I swear to God, I'm gonna gamble a bit and we'll go short. I would just go short then. And now Euro, look at this. JPY has been very weak, right? JXY, sorry. JXY has been very weak, right? We see, look, CGF JPY going up right now. USD JPY going up as well. And Euro JPY going up. Now we see a retracement of Euro USD. And look what happens to Euro JPY. It's finally finding the, you know, breakout here out of this zone. And it's probably going to, you know, head towards north now. It's very likely that this is going to happen. Yeah, Dutch and Germans mostly get Russian teammates. I feel. Why, buddy? Can you explain why? I don't really get it, dude. Whenever I play alone, I always, sometimes I have a full team of, I don't know whether these guys are from Russia or whatever. But they are on your team and they refuse to speak English. And sometimes you hear something like, retard, sukabliet, retard, Rashbi. Drop, give me AVP. Give me AVP. Like that. That's it. I was like, guys, can you please say something in German or make the calls German, make the calls in English? At least the calls, guys. No, bled. Not good English. Rashbi. Always. Anyways, SPX 500. Day trade. I will probably, you know, just place a buy stop order, I guess. For now, it's just a preparation. So it's 3,269. But I don't like it's the end price, so you might have to adjust it by 2 pips. Stop loss 3,252. And the take profit is at 3,298. Which is 17 pips. Not the best risk reward, but I play safe. Give us some space for volatility. Give it some space. No, show me a fake out, buddy. Show me a fake out. I swear to God, I'm gonna short you. Yeah. Maybe because of geographics. Yo, what? Dude, it makes no sense at all, man. I mean, Russia is so far away from Germany. Why? I don't get it. I mean, I'm in the middle or even in the west of Europe. I am here, and those I play with are somewhere in this area. I'm not even sure whether I play with some people, someone living here in the middle of the nowhere, close to Lugarka, Braka, or what that is, or Snizhnogorsk. Maybe I'm drinking vodka somewhere. I don't know. Dude, how? I don't get it. I mean, people from Poland, Austria, you know, Denmark, London, Spain. That's how far away. That's my area here. I don't get it. I don't know why. I don't understand. Portugal, yeah. Exactly. I don't understand, but that's the way it is. Holland, yeah. Yeah, I also have people from my neighborhood. Have you ever visited Portugal? Yes, I so not the capital. I was at Madeira. May spend 2 weeks on Madeira. And my hotel was, I mean, Madeira is far away, right? Far away from Portugal, but still Portugal. And my hotel was somewhere here, in this area. Man, this island is a dream, guys. I can recommend everyone to visit that one. We need to go here again, because in these 2 weeks I was not able to see everything, and then I swear I was sleeping like 4 or 5 hours a night, and I was renting a car and was trying to visit every single spot. I'm a big fan of nature. That one was nice, man. I was diving here, met a shark. That was very, very nice. Or was it? Where was the place? Wait. Port, what is that? Port Muniz. Even here, diving is nice. But this is quite dangerous, man. The cliffs and the waves, man. You've got to be very careful here. Very, very nice. A lot of levadas. So, a lot of nice. A lot of old people. Yeah, a lot of old people, but as we know, I'm old too. I'm old and I need the calm and, you know, the nature around me, and I get sick when I see people making party, you know. So I don't drink alcohol. And like I said yesterday, I'm old, so I need that. Yeah, Cristiano Ronaldo is from Madeira. Exactly. Yeah, man, I'm the one who's calling the cops, dude. I'm the one who's calling the cops. When they annoy me, you know, I just want to listen to the birds. What I hear is loud music, and I'm like, man, fuck it. I'm gonna call the police now. No. Come on, UCJPY. I want to see a retracement back to our entry zone. Let's go. Come on. Yeah, that's what we want to see. And then we want to see boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Oh yeah, I wanted to check JXY, right? And I need to post that as a preparation. Hold on, I forgot to post it. Preparation. They know. Yeah, preparation. Here's the preparation, guys. For SPX. Man, I really hate the YouTube chat and all this. YouTube is not made for live streaming, man. I may switch to Twitch. Twitch is way better for live streaming. You said later that Euro USD is probably, yeah, I think so. This is probably a typical whipsaw day today, like yesterday. Like we see the retracement during the London session, and then we're gonna get some news that will move the price or give the, you know, traders even more reason to push the price to the top side. And guys, what I'm gonna do right now, hold on. In 12 minutes, we're gonna get to see news from Canada. Oh man, and this is like some. Oh wait, USD CAD. Let's look at USD CAD. USD CAD. Oh, is it getting triggered? Is it getting triggered? There's a high volume node right there. I want to see that, you know, this volume node is holding. I want the market to confirm this. So this is actually a strong support area here right now. USD CAD. Not at the zone where I actually want to sell it. So we gotta open, by the way, JXY as well. JXY, important to see because we obviously trade against the strong uptrend. There's the gap down, as yeah, it was obvious. Heikin-Ashi, where is it? Green Heikin-Ashi, yeah. Here was the gap. Now not, because I have the Heikin-Ashi, but there you see, boom, boom, boom. It might close it or not. We will see. JXY here. Gotta see how that one behaves. Okay, USD JPY. Now retracing with JXY, which is retracing to the top side. Did you got triggered? UJ, no. My buy limit is still placed. It's not triggered yet. And I won't chase it, dude. If it doesn't trigger me, then I won't chase it because I don't have any reason to chase it. The week was good, so that's just some, you know, the more profit would just be the cherry on the cake. So well, guys, man, it's so tempting. I'm gonna do it. I bet the GBP will be so bad, guys. I'm not sure what to think about this because we had a previous GDP in Canada of minus 11.6%. The forecast is at 3.5. That's what the market is pricing in. Do you think that it's gonna be better than this? It was better. It was better. Okay, they were right so far. But they expected from the previous result of minus 7.5% to be positive at 3.5%. Maybe they made some with the increasing price of oil. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what you think about this because I don't like the forecast. If the forecast was like at minus, I don't know, 5%, then it would be more likely that we see a better result than forecasted. But you know, it's a little bit of gambling, but I just see this nice level, man. I want to short it. And I expect, like, when you look at the waves, I just expect a retracement. I just want EU to go to the moon. I'm not finding trades today. I won't chase it either. Yeah, it's because, you know, so many currency pairs are already at the peaks, you know, so it's kind of hard to, you know, find good setups. I've been trading Euro USD this week for 1, 2, 3 times. 3 times following the trend. Just trend following all the time, over and over again. And of course, you get to a point where you think, this trend might be exhausted very soon. Not fundamentally, but technically, because they're not more buyers willing to buy the higher price. And this is why you've got to observe the volume. Look how thin the volume is right now. I had the news. Oh, how thin is this, guys? This is probably gonna be a fake out. Oh, guys, don't do this at home, but but I will give it a chance. I see the low volume here, man. It's so low after the breakout. This is what you don't want to see. You want to see increasing volume after a breakout. So I expect this to be a fake out and some news. I'm just gonna short GBP cat now, but please don't take this as a signal or something. It's just something I do myself now because I expect it to happen. I do this with a very low volume. Volume. Risk. Put this on. Very low risk. So if I fail, then it was at least a nice try, but it's definitely worth it to do it with a low risk for me personally. Where's GBP cat? Come on, man. Where is GBP cat? Give it some space. Oops. Oops. Okay. Let's see. Get some news. Oh, news soon. Be right back. Let's see. Let's go CHF JPY. Shall we execute that one? It looks good, guys. It's creating a new top. 30-minute candle about to close. That looks very good. Let's go in there. It's not exactly at the entry. It's not exactly at the entry, but that's okay because we don't need the perfect entry. Perfect entry doesn't matter. JXY seems to be very weak. Yeah, it's definitely nice price to buy now. What the hell? Have I done a mistake? Did I do a mistake? No. Check it one more time. Okay, I'm in. You see JPY, we probably missed that one. Oh, the GDP is even better. Wow. Not bad. Not bad. Do we see any reactions? It's even better than expected. It's all going up. I would like to know what now. Oil is just... Any reactions? Come on. Yeah, we probably missed that one, guys. Probably missed that one. What kind of camera are you using, dude? I'm using Logitech. That's HD. No, that's HD. I don't even know exactly what kind of camera it was. It's C252. It's not an expensive one. $50. That one. No, we missed it. We missed it. Never mind. If you guys are in, congratulations. Ah, okay. Do you remember when I said, dude, I don't need to chase the money, you know, I had a good week, I don't need to do this. Now I fucking regret it. Of course I do regret it. I should have executed, should have, would have, could have. Should have executed with the market buy order. But I was like, oh, you know, I don't care, you know, never mind, you know, if I don't get triggered, then I don't chase it. Now I would like to press the buy button right now. I swear, I feel in my fingers like I want to buy right now. I'm not in. Oh shit, never mind. But news better, GBP cash should actually go down. Should actually go down because we still see, I mean, we don't know, but we still see DXY pressure, right? It's still going up, DXY. So euro is under pressure, and we have good news for GBP for CAD. I mean, GU could be under pressure, you know, by the dollar power, dollar strength. So no way. Yeah, we're gonna delete it, dude. We're gonna delete it. How many pips? By how many pips did we miss it? 3 pips. Oh my gosh, man. That's almost, you know, for some assets, that's the spread. We should have gone long, man, just with a market buy order. Why am I so dumb? Oh, never mind. But Euro JPY doing great. CHF JPY going up now as well. Oh, man. That's why I asked you if you got triggered. It was so close. Yeah, and I was like, nah, never mind. You know, UCJPY is very volatile. It's going to trigger it anyways. Maybe it's going below the support area. And what am I doing? Never mind. I mean, this would have been quick profit. I mean, this is a 15-minute candle. So this is not even, you know, that's almost 20 minutes right now. In 20 minutes, easy peasy, risk reward off. What is that? Yeah, more than risk earned already. But I'm so dumb and don't execute. But never mind. If you guys execute it, man, then I'm happy enough, and it's enough for me if you execute it, guys. If you executed close to it and also executed that one, then I'm happy. I'm in that trade at least, and I'm in that trade, and I'm an odd JPY as well. Odd JPY in profit, Euro JPY in profit, CHF JPY in profit. If you in USD JPY, it's also in profit, so then it's great. Then it's great. Being disciplined, it's okay. Yes, that's what I also say. So it was actually a good one that I did not execute it because I stick to the plan, right? So it was, on the other hand, it was a good one. But when I see how much profit I'm missing just because of this 2 or 3 pips in 20 minutes, you know, then I'm gonna get mad. But never mind. I was sticking to, you know, the plan, so everything is fine. And it was a profitable week anyways. And I mean, I'm in 3 other JPY trades. Euro JPY, CHF JPY, and R JPY. So they all in profit. So it's all fine. So GBP CAD is now reacting as I expected. If it's gonna break that high, then I'm just gonna exit here close to the entry. I mean, it was kind of, you know, a little bit of gamble. So I thought that these good news from CAD would, you know, have a bigger impact. But since oil is still dropping, oh man, we still got SPX 500 here. I think I'm gonna place a buy stop order. You did manual execution. Ronald, I love you. We should all do it like you did it. You're the role model. Richard, how was your week? The week was great so far, buddy. How was your week? Good week so far. I try an entry after he breaks this 1 hour resistance and retest, so gives me a wick to grab. Ah, okay. For UCJP, what do you mean? Or what do you mean? No, still losing on my trades. Yeah, UCJPY. Okay. Yeah, went out. I'm gonna delete the order now. I'm gonna delete it. USDJPY. USDJPY. Set up invalid. Please remove the order as USDJPY almost hit target without us. As we. Because we've missed the entry by 3 pips. If you have executed manually, please make sure to have no risk in this trade anymore. Oh, annoying. Never mind. You made 4%. That's a great one. Congratulations, buddy. So I hope CHF JPY will move up as USD you know, instantly to the previous trend line to retest it, and this would be awesome. And what was the target, by the way, of Euro JPY? Where is it? It's not far away from the target anymore. More than halfway made. It is 124.50, 124.950. No, what am I? I'm so dumb, dude. Yeah. 124.950. Take profit is right there. Let's see if we can reach it. There's the take profit. Take profit. So that everyone knows. Let's see. GBP CAD going up, right? Okay, I'm gonna close it. It was just a, man, very, very few risk, man. Almost no risk in it. Almost close to break even. Now, you know what's gonna happen? I just close the trade like everyone else, and the big players are like, ha ha ha. Now they, now they're gonna close it. Now we go short. I see. Now I wait for the next week, guys. If we see like a daily close below this level, and we get more evidence for a short, then we're probably gonna get a nice chance to short it. And then I expect a continuation, like of the entire impulse wave here that we've analyzed, like that one. Well, let's see. So CHF JPY going up. And yeah, for me, important to wait for now is that one. I want SPX 500 to go up. Come on, do it. I think I'm gonna place a buy stop, because what I expect to happen is a volatile opening and a spike to the top side. GBP is very strong somehow. Yeah, it's very strong. But I explained that yesterday, man. All the key levels got broken, and that's why it was a very good, you know, I had this. You can check it out if you want. I had this preparation here for GBP USD. That one. You can check it out. And if you check it out, leave a like and a comment if you want. Also, if you don't want, just leave it. I stopped guessing tops, yeah, dude, because you know everyone is doing this, and you know that's the problem when you or what a lot of people want to do is they always want to sell the peaks and buy the dips, and that's, you know, stupid. And I just said I only did it as a little bit of, you know, with a little bit of gambling, because it's the key resistance, and I only did it because I expected the good news would have more impact on CAT, and especially since, you know, DXY is moving up, we have more pressure on GBP USD, so I expected a little bit, you know, more weakness. But it looks like oil doesn't want to go up, and if oil is not going up, CAT won't go up. You know, that's why it does not have the impact that I've expected. But for the next week, we're probably gonna get, if oil finds this support with this nice fake out to the bottom, nice SL hunting here, and find support right there, then we might see this move. And so also, and that's what I was looking at, CAT JPY, CAT JPY, which is in the bigger time frame, ranging, and as you can see, it is about to form a support here. Look. And if oil goes up next week, we see a retracement in JXY, because JXY was climbing very hard, right? I mean, look at JXY. It was climbing very hard. So it could retrace. We see a retracement here, and another push of oil. Then CAT JPY could really go up hard, like with a very nice pump, and sometimes it's pumping very hard, and this is the perfect preparation for it, because what we see is that probably all the buyers who were buying this range are not in the game anymore. They are probably washed out here. And if all this is a fake out, next week oil goes up, JXY goes down, then we're gonna buy CAT JPY here to the moon. Then we have a great setup for next week, you know. Let's see. How can I recognize a fake breakout? He breaks and then comes back. You can't forecast a fake. You can assume it, call it, but you never know. Yes and no. That's what you can do with the volume, especially when you trade with ATIS like I did. You can, you know, very nicely identify fake outs, and I used that method to trade them, because as always, when you have a breakout, what you want to see is you want to see increasing volume. So when the price breaks above the level, you know, the assumption is that all those breakout traders, you know, who are waiting for this breakout would follow. And if you see that there's no volume with the breakout or after the breakout, yeah, means the mainstream or the traders, they're not following those who caused the breakout, then you can, you know, expect a fake out. Especially when it's very volatile. When it's very volatile, then you know there's something wrong. And when you have a breakout, you know, an accumulation is usually very slow. You have an accumulation, and the big players, they keep the price balanced, right? They, with these fake orders that I've explained, like fake sell limits, fake buy limits, and they keep this price. They attract buyers to come into the market, and when they attract them, they just collect. You know, they want more buyers to come in, so they're gonna, you know, take the sales. Or they want the price to be balanced as soon as they have collected enough contracts. And this is why you have such a low volume. There's not much, you know, the market is not really attractive now for, especially for the retail traders, because the market is going sideways. So if we wait for a breakout and it's going up, suddenly the volume is very low during the consolidation. Then you see the breakout and the volume follows, or the volume is increasing. Then you know, aha, okay, this is a potential real breakout. If you see it's a breakout, so it's going up, the volume is very thin, no one is chasing, no one is following the breakout, then you know, aha, okay, this might be a fake out. If it's high volume before the breakout and suddenly low volume and you see this peak, yeah, then it's a fake out, because this is a stop loss fishing move. And if you see a breakout with high volume, it's going down, it's low volume, and suddenly you see like it's increasing, so there's more accumulation going on, then it's a breakout. So there are different scenarios when you look at the volume, different ways to identify fake outs. But of course, with the normal chart, it's almost impossible when you just look at the candles. When you look at the volume and the market depth, then it's very, very nice. Any idea what gold is moving? No idea, buddy. No idea. I guess why. I guess I know why. Wait. What is DXY doing? DXY is okay. Now move. Gold is about to move, I guess. Look, USD. Gold will probably move soon, because if DXY, I bet it's because all the buyers, you know, they don't want to get rid of the gold, and we just see an increase, a rise of DXY means more pressure for gold against USD. So if USD is gonna drop now, gold will probably gonna peak or go up, go higher, probably. It's just the pressure of USD, I guess. And if USD is gonna drop, gold will probably finally break out here. Keep in mind, we still get some earnings, and these earnings, they can again change everything. What's your take on EUR/CHF? On EUR/CHF breakout? Oh, dude, EUR/CHF is so freaking unreliable in terms of technical analysis, because, or technical supply and demand levels, because it's so badly manipulated by the banks. It's so badly manipulated. So the last idea for EUR/CHF I had this week was that this one. And we got stopped out at break even. Like, as you can see the trend line here. You see the wave count here, which is WX, YX, Z, this consolidation here, the break out of this trend line, and here the retest. I don't know why this trend line is not extended, but it retested this trend line after the breakout. And then you've seen this. Look how choppy that is. It went up into profit, then we moved stop loss to break even. Some took some profit. Or partial profits, and then it went down to the support zone again, bounced off again. Now it's retesting the trend line here. Now retest with a fake out here, and now it's below. It could go down, but I wouldn't do anything because it's currently between this trend line and this strong support area, so there's not much to do. It's in the middle of the nowhere, so no for me personally, no interesting zone to trade. So I wouldn't trade it right now, and especially, you know, because of SXY. Because when I look at SXY, I still see, or I'm still waiting for the market to show me what to do at this key resistance level. Because when we finally see a rejection here, then we can, you know, go long EUR/CHF, especially USD/CHF. When we see a rejection in this area. Hey guys, do you remember the time when I was analyzing this this index and was always talking about talking about this consolidation here, man? Guys, we should have bought it. God damn. Yeah, it was in March. Like, I was always looking at this at this, or was it the daily chart? Was it the daily chart? Yeah, this breakout here, out of this area, man, guys, we should have sold USD/CHF since then. Should have, could have, would have, because I expected SHF to rise, but still, it makes no sense that this is happening. It makes no sense. Like I said, someone is lying. You cannot see JXY, SXY, gold, stock markets, bonds, everything to go up at the same time. It makes no sense when you think about it, that cash is moving into everything except DXY. So everyone is running away from the US dollar and invests into everything. That makes no sense. If it breaks the trend line, bullish. What do you mean, Euro CHF? Probably, dude. But I would just look at SXY. It doesn't matter what Euro USD is doing, really. It's just correlating. Currently, the weight of SXY is way stronger or for every currency compared to CHF. So just look at SXY. If SXY continues to go up, Euro CHF will probably go down. And look at the sensitive. Dude, I can't speak English anymore. Sensitivity. I forgot to speak how to speak proper English. Are you kidding me? Look at this. Is the market finally reacting to the news? Remember, the US market opens in 40 minutes. So the US market could actually, react to these news. Shall I go short GBP CAD again, guys? Shall I do it or not? Now, is this a break out of GBP CAD? That's the question. Oh, volume blue. Can you please show me the session volume? Thanks. Mm, 30 minutes. Oh. There was a lot of bullish volume here. A lot of bullish volume coming in, man. This might be a fake out. With the breakout, we've seen low volume. And the lower the price got, the more buy pressure came in. This would be one of the scenarios. Look here. One of the scenarios I meant, like, it's breaking out and suddenly you see how the buyers collect, like fake out scenario. But let's see. GBP CAD is coming down. Yes, that's what I was just talking about. Like the US market could react to it right now and just push it down, like, to the good news and push oil up, man. This would be funny if this is gonna happen. What do you think about Euro NZD? Let's look at it. Yeah, Euro NZD, like I explained yesterday. Look, oil is suddenly green. It was just at minus 22 or 0.22%. Now it's a plus, or almost at 0.1%. Almost. Now it's just going up. It's moving up. Are the good news from Canada causing this? That's the question. Oh, never mind. Okay. So, Euro NZD. Guys, I see a bullish market today. Oil is going up now. Yeah, we should place the buy stop for SPX, guys. Euro NZD. We had the very nice long trade last week, right? If you remember. Yeah, we even traded this this move here. We traded this breakout. I don't know if you remember, but we traded that breakout here. I would wait for a pullback. I guess I would wait for a pullback and then go long here in this area here. If it finds support. But I'm always very carefully with these cross pairs. I always look at the correlations. I want to see, how sensitive NZD and Euro reacts to USD. So I basically check the major pairs, Euro USD and NZD USD, before I do any forecast for it. So I kind of have to see how the market will react next week. But for now, I wouldn't do anything here. I would just wait for a pullback back to the zone, and then I would check, okay, is it more likely to see it going up or down according to, you know, or when I look at the correlations, what is more likely, and then I would make a decision. But for now, it looks like we have a breakout here out of this correction here, right? This one, there's a breakout. It's kind of choppy, but you know, see, breakout, retest, now it's going up. There's still a lot of space to the top side, like here. A lot of space. So I'll wait for retracement and then see what's happening, and then maybe execute. But for now, I wouldn't do anything. It's not really interesting to me right now. So yeah. Hope that was a bit helpful. Stochastic divergence also. Yeah, I'm not looking at stochastic, to be honest, but yeah. Oh, we are well in profit, guys. Shall we say something or not? Oh, the trades. All JPY doing well. Man, that was kind of choppy, that one. But it's finally moving up in profit, breaking the resistance after so many attempts. But it's finally moving up. Oh, look at GBP Cat. Oh my gosh, guys. If this hour candle closes like that, I swear to God, I'm gonna close. I'm gonna short it again. We see a short close like that. Look at this thin volume at the top. Look how thin this volume is. This might be a fake out, guys. If this is a fake out, let's go long. The music is off all the time. Why don't you say something and I can turn it up again? Let's dance. What do you mean around gold? Please keep again the risk low, bro. Of course I'm gonna keep it low, dude. I only had seriously, that was a just for fun trade. I had 0.02 lots in it. 1, 2, Polizei. What do you mean? So I think gold's gonna break out soon. As soon as DXY is retracing, I will go down again. I mean, DXY kind of closed the gap here, as you can see. That's why, by the way, why I also wanted to, we were long Euro USD to save some profit. But we see the gap close here. It's likely to see that it goes down if SPX will do what I expect to happen, which is the breakout here. So if DXY goes down, then gold might go up, because what you can clearly see is that gold is not giving up against the strong US dollar. So it looks pretty bullish to me, and it should break out today. I guess it's gonna break up and here maybe even retest the 2,200. Think so. Yeah, you're I should have paid attention on my German classes, man. I'd be talking German with you. Yeah, you should have done this, right? You should have learned this easy language. German is so... No, man. I think German is really hard to learn, right? Man, I have a friend, or I got friends from, you know, other countries. And one of my friends, he's from Africa, Tanzania. And he's living here in Germany now with his family. But it was a long journey until he got to this point. And we were working together. And we're also good friends. And we make some music together. And, man, when he was in the class, in the German class, he was asking me about, you know, questions about grammar. Dude, I was like, dude, I cannot even explain you why it is the way it is, man. And when I think about it, it does not even make sense, you know. There are things that don't make sense in German. So I'm like, gosh, if I would have to learn this language, dude, or once again now as an adult, man, dude, I would give up. I would probably just, you know, stick to English. Yeah, it's very hard because of the verbs, yeah. Yeah, I know, dude. It's really not easy to learn. Especially the articles, man. It makes no sense because there's der, die, das, right? Der is for... I can write it down, like, der, male, die, female, yeah? Das, object. That's just to keep it simple, right? So like that. Why do we say... die Zitrone, which is the lemon? Why do we say die and say or name an object? I mean, for someone who's not from Germany and not grow up with German, it makes no sense, right? If you want to learn this, it makes no sense. The article is actually the article is for a female, and you use it for an object. It makes no sense. We say the chair, for example, der Stuhl, the chair, der, male, and chair, object. It makes no sense, dude. My friend was asking me about this. I said, dude, I don't even know why it is. Just, you know, just remember it the way we say it, you know? Just remember the article and just the name or the word. Yeah, no, that's the problem. What I mean, that's what I'm talking about, dude. That's the problem. You also have problems with that, right? Yeah, he was asking me about this. I was like, dude, I think it's just because of the ending of the word that actually is the reason why you say this and that way. Just the ending. But overall, it makes no sense because a car, das Auto, that makes sense because that's an object. But the chair, der Stuhl, male, an object, doesn't make sense at all. But in Portuguese, it's the same, bro. Yeah, it is. I don't know, dude. But also the grammar, dude. Oh, German grammar is really... But it's not as hard as a Polish. That's way harder to speak, man. I have a friend from Poland, man. This language is... The grammar, dude, is even more complicated than German grammar. Yeah, it's a lot low. Yeah, I know. You just got these two, right? Yeah, I know. GBPK, come on, show us the breakout, the fake out. But I want to stick to SPX 500 now. Gonna keep that chart open and be right back, guys. By the way, I've got to go very soon. With our 3-hour session. Stuttering grammar is very hard. It is? Oh my gosh. I think, you know, when you learn... I mean, English is actually very simple, right? But I think whenever you learn another language, it's always hard at the beginning. Especially when it's about grammar, I think. A cadeira. O caderno. How do you say this? O caderno. O caderno, a cadeira. Yo soy Jeremy. Dude, I was trying to learn a little bit of Portuguese. Whenever I travel into one country, right, I always try to get at least the basics. Because when I'm there, I want to, you know, integrate myself a little bit. So when I order food or something, I want to at least be able to say what I want and thanks and hello and how are you doing and stuff like that. So I'm always try to learn a little bit of the basics. But I'm honest, dude. I forgot. Dude, I forgot Portuguese, dude. Just saw it was Spanish, yeah. But I forgot it in Portuguese. It was... What is it, man? Wait, it's... I almost got it. What was it? Dude, tell me, please. I forgot it. What was... I also knew this. But I was in Madeira in 2015. It's 5 years ago, so... I really forgot that in Portuguese, dude. It wasn't just... Sorry, that it was... Yeah, just my name is. Or I am. I am. I forgot it. Like it's 5 years ago. That's why I forgot it. Oh, what is that? Avala koda si pomanito kat sita strani jezik. I have no idea how to say. Avala koda si pomanito kat sita strani jezik. I have no idea, dude. I just try. But it sounds very complicated too. Okay, I won't say this, dude, because I have no idea how to say. What? But it was a bit differently when I learned it on my app. Oh, are you serious? How do you pronounce this, dude? How do you? Wait.
Meu nome é.
What? Wait. My app back then taught me something else.
My name is. Meu nome é.
Hey, look how aggressively she's saying this. She's really aggressive. Listen to this.
My name is.
Like very, very... My name is...
My name is.
What the hell?
Meu nome é.
Meu nome é...
Meu nome é.
Meu nome é...
Meu nome é.
What the hell? My name is... Don't yell at me. Why so aggressive, Google? GBP cat dropping, yeah, but just a little bit now. That's not worth. Look, if it's gonna break the support, let's go. Let's go short. Go short. Look, cat JPY is going up, probably because of Brent oil, and I guess USD cat is dropping. Let me check USD cat. Still in the consolidation. Oh look, we should place a buy stop now. Come on guys, let's place a buy stop, guys. I'm gonna place a buy stop for SPX 500. You know, Euro USD seems to find support here. In terms of correlations, it looks good. If Brent oil goes up, it's the first pre-indication for a rising stock market, and JXY is dropping as well, so the safe haven is going down. Kind of looks very good. Let's go. We have nothing to lose. Hold on guys, hold on. can make you feel. Make me feel. Oh yes, you did. Okay. All right. So sorry. Okay, sorry. EG drop. Dude, Hung, please don't tell me this. Because we closed the trade already. Oh my gosh. I don't even want to look at it, dude. I don't even want to look at it. We took profit here. But that's okay. Profit is profit. Never regret it, take it. So USDJPY, for those who are in, congratulations. You hit the take profit almost. CHF doing very well. Euro JPY doing very well as well. Doing very well as well. Odd JPY also in profit but struggling a little bit. KJPY fake out probably. Brent oil will go up as well as SPX. That's at least what I expect to happen. Let's see. We never know, never know, never know. Ich habe 28 Years Chart.
Hallo.
Ja, gleich, warte. Great video about volume session. Thanks, buddy. Hope you left a like and a comment, dude. Okay. Was it helpfully? Well, at least in the small time frame, we see the breakout. But we have to break this high. Looks like it's gonna break soon. Yeah, that was Hung. How do I pronounce your name? I want to know. And where are you from, buddy? Hung or Hang? And how do you say the last name? Fam? Is it Hung, number 1, or Hang, number 2, or He? Hung. Vietnam. Oh, cool. Okay, Hung. All right, that's great. Hung. And your last name, Pham? Hung Pham? Is that correct when I say Hung Pham? Mr. Hung Pham. We have a new task for you. Okay, great. Looking forward to more educational videos. Yeah, that was actually the plan, but then I got the injury. I actually wanted to make more videos, but then I had this accident and I could not really, work on that. Could not really work on that. Oh, my girlfriend was asleep, man. She just woke up, by the way. Be right back. Because we're gonna head to a barbecue very soon and head into the weekend, so I won't be online all the time, but I think we got the setups. We still got open trades, and we shouldn't execute too many trades ahead the weekend. I don't even want to keep all of them open. I'd rather take the profits to avoid too much risk. The weekend gap can be very annoying. But yeah, RJPY finally breaks about this entire area. Finally, thank you. God damn. Oh, look at USDJPY. I should have executed with the market buy order. I can just repeat myself, but no, that's at least what the greed is telling me. But at least I stick to the plan. So I'll be right back, guys. That's not cool. I already closed the chart. So you should create a channel on Telegram so that we can chat. Yes, I got a channel, dude. It's that one. This is my personal channel. I can give you the link if you want to. And we also got, yeah, in the LCFXpro channel, you can talk, but here I have a chat. Wait. Plan for USDJPY, the plan was to buy. Now it's over. It has already hit the, you know, the take profit area. Look how it goes up, guys. And we not in, dude. Yeah, look at JXY. Let's see. Yeah, it's dropping. It's dropping like it's... And DXY goes up as well. GBP should take profits. Are you still in? Why don't you take profits if you want? If you're in, why not? It's retesting a strong area. Remember, the market is opening in 5 minutes. Could reverse at any time. Why not? Gold going down against DXY. You mean GBP Cat broke that area here? Yeah, why not? Give it a try. Why not? Can short it. We had good news for, like I said, we have good news for Canada. We have oil, which is going up, and we have DXY pressure, means pressure for GBP USD. So there might be a good opportunity to short it in terms of correlations. Technically, we are at a very, very great top. And guys, I'm gonna re-enter and just let it, you know, let it open. I'm gonna re-enter now. So I'm gonna place my stop loss above the daily high here. I'm gonna place my stop loss. Oh, guys, it's a risky trade, you know this. So with a very low risk here. The current correlations are, you know, in our favor. It all looks like risk on in the market. And if we have a risk on, then GBP cap will probably drop. Wie bitte? Ja, mach ich gleich auch. Mach mal jetzt. Unfortunately, I have to go with the US session. Unfortunately, I have to go. But I'm gonna place this order and then I go. So, GBVK. Bloß die verpiffen soll die dich. Let's take a 70 pips stop loss, 70 pips. GBVK. We left the truth unspoken. Oh gosh. GBP cat, where are you, buddy? Where are you, buddy? Yeah. So, noch eine Sache, dann bin ich da. There it is. Okay, very low risk on that one. Okay. Okay, guys.
Richtig aufgeladen.
Okay, danke.
Dein Netflix habe ich übrigens nicht hingekriegt.
Okay, guys. I'm out for now. Unfortunately, I have to go. Habe ich schon. USD cat tends to go down as well. What is the stop loss on GBP cat? GBP cat stop loss is, like I said, guys. Please, I'm doing this myself, right? My stop loss is about the daily high and this resistance area here, about this resistance. Mine is exactly at 1.77. Take profit here in this area. So, here. 1.7465, this area. But guys, it's really a bit of, you know, I just see the correlations right now. I see oil tends to go up, CAT tends to go up, and DXY showing more pressure means GBP USD should be under pressure as well. So, and we are at a very strong resistance, and we see very thin volume here at the top. The volume is not following, so all this might be a fake out, and we see increasing sell volume here. So the evidence of a trend change is there, but we still don't see any trend changing pattern. So it's a very risky one, right? Low risk, and you know, just giving it a try. All right, guys, I'm out for now. There was a question about preparation on the weekend. Yes, I can do this. That we do some streams on the weekend with the preparation for the week. We can continue with that if I have the time, but you know, on the weekend I'm spending much time with, you know, girlfriend, family, and then I'm often a little bit distracted. But anyways, guys, I see you. I mean, I still post on TradingView, but it's time for me to go. I see you on Telegram or on the live stream, maybe on the weekend. If I do a preparation live stream, then I'm gonna let you know. But I'm out for now. Auf Wiedersehen. That's how we say it in Germany. Auf Wiedersehen. And
Sagen tschüss.
yeah, choose. I say choose.
Tschüss ist Deutsch.
Good luck, guys. Great trading, and don't trade too much. I'm out. Peace.